रन करते टाइम मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल आया कि यार बार 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 वाई एम आई थिंकिंग ऑफ माउंटेन्स, वाई एम आई थिंकिंग ऑफ माउंटेन्स। दिस वॉज माई ड्रीम टू कीप अ डायरी वेर एवर आई ट्रैवल। 48 घंटे निकल चुके हैं, एक सेकंड के लिए भी तुम्हें ये ख्याल आया है क्या कि मैं आई एम गेटिंग गूज बम्स राइट नाउ जस्ट बिकॉज माई एड्रेनलिन डोंट वांट टू सिट। आज मुझे पता है कि रोलिंग है, क्योंकि हियर आई एम अलोन शूटिंग राइट नाउ एंड आई एम फीलिंग really happy just because I am alone, just because there is nobody to talk to me about anything or anything else। आज हमारे दोस्त किसी कारणवश यहाँ नहीं आ पाए हैं। I'm just missing his existence, but it's okay, there will be time, I need to do it and I will do it। चाहे कुछ भी हो, 180 दिन रेगुलर वीडियोस पोस्ट होगी। वेलकम बैक टू द वीडियो गाइज। एंड आज टुडेज अपडेट्स। कल का दिन बहुत ही फिनोमिनल दिन था, आज का भी दिन बहुत ही फिनोमिनल दिन था। आज बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत एंथुसियाज्म और बहुत एक लाइवलीनेस के साथ अब हम बढ़ रहे हैं धीरे धीरे। इट्स डे 24, मे बी आई डोंट नो व्हाट डेज इट इज़, एंड मे बी इन द couple of days, couple of months, I will be forgetting the number of days just because I am doing it daily. It's my routine and I am bad with numbers. I'm so sorry guys, but I am bad with numbers. It is what it is and I don't know what to do about it. So we will just give you the updates. आज का दिन बहुत ही लाइवली, आज पूरे दिन बारिश हुई और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि आज पूरे दिन बारिश हुई है। मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आता है बारिश में। बारिश एक ऐसा सीज़न है जो इट ब्रिंग्स समथिंग एल्स, इट ब्रिंग्स लव टू नेचर, इट ब्रिंग्स लाइवलीनेस इन मी, इन अदर पीपल, इन एवरीबडी एल्स। आई माइट बी सीइंग नर्वस क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता कि रिकॉर्ड कैसे हो रहा है ये, बट इट्स फाइन। अब बारिशों का मौसम है, अब शायद हो सकता है एक आध दिन वील स्किप रनिंग और वर्कआउट और समथिंग एल्स, क्योंकि मैं बारिश की वजह से ना जा पाऊँ। आई विल ट्राई माई 110% टू गो एनी टाइम इन द डे, चाहे कुछ भी हो। दिन के 1 बजे 2 बजे मुझे रन पे जाना हो तो जाना पड़ेगा। आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू कीप दिस स्ट्रीक गोइंग जस्ट बिकॉज आई एम लविंग इट एंड यू शुड बी टू। इट्स self-improvement at the end, we should all have to do it. There is no excuse which will bring us back. You can also start this just by doing workout training daily for 180 days, recording yourself, just being at it. It will be good for you just because it is good for me, and you and me are same, we are not different। just let us remember that कि all of the human species are same। ठीक है। आज मैं सुबह रन कर रहा था एंड रन करते टाइम मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल आया कि यार बार बार वाई एम आई थिंकिंग ऑफ माउंटेन्स, वाई एम आई थिंकिंग ऑफ माउंटेन्स। just because I want to go there, I need adventure in my life। I am not a person who loves comfort। You may be seeing all this for the past 23-24 days, whatever it is। So I am a person of adventure, I am a person of some sort of liveliness in my head। I want every time। तो मैं अलग अलग चीज़ें करता हूँ। I go mountaineering, I go to trekking, I go doing all tons of things just because my adrenaline don't want to sit। तो ये मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल आ रहा था कुछ दिनों से, एंड फॉर दैट ख्याल मैं अपने एक पुराने एक्सपीरियंस की तरफ मुड़ा और मैंने सोचा कि यार वाई एम आई ऑलवेज़ गोइंग बैक टू द माउंटेन्स। क्यों मुझे माउंटेन्स पसंद हैं, क्यों लोगों को माउंटेन्स पसंद आते हैं, क्यों अब इतनी भीड़ माउंटेन्स की तरफ मूव हो रही है, उस तरफ जाने के लिए इच्छुक है, क्यों ये सब होता है। एंड I have came across some sort of realizations through this. I have let me just show you. I have a diary which I keep, just like this was my dream to keep a diary wherever I travel, and it is filled with images. It is just filled with stories. All of this, and I went to, like, this is all my shit. This is all my life, and I want someone to just keep this up. This is the pictures. जब मेरे पास पोलरॉइड नहीं था तो मैं ब्लैक एंड वाइट पिक्चर्स लगाता था. दिस इज़ समथिंग एल्स, एंड this is the chapter. I went for Kedarghanta on January 2nd 2025, and I realized some things I have just written in it, and I got affected to some person at that period of time. Just because, let's just keep this aside for a while. Okay, so मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस है माउंटेन्स के साथ, और मुझे माउंटेन्स पर रहना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. आई जस्ट लव माउंटेन्स just because there is only and one reason, that mountains are not comforting. They will not let you win. That's it. It is the simple reason that mountains will not let you win until you are tough enough to face them, tough enough to face them. It's really beautiful how mountains and nature just test you again and again and again until you conquer it, until you be comfortable in it, until you do all the things you want, not facing the consequences, just being tough. It is really tough to trek. I went on my first trek and I just loved it. I went with a bunch of strangers, and it's like there is something else in mountains. Like, when boys say कि I've been to beaches also, but when boys says कि यार it's not my cup of tea, I can't go to mountains, and I just don't like that discomfort of 3 4 5 days 6 days, when we are constantly just climbing, trekking, and so much of discomfort that nobody just likes it. I don't know why. I just love mountains that way. I went for the beach also, but I didn't like it that much, just because there was too much comfort in beach. I can sit for hours and hours and nobody was there. I was just admiring nature, admiring the infiniteness of water and nothing else. There was nothing else, and I didn't just like it. It was too much of comfort, and I'm not that person. क्यों आपको माउंटेन पर जाना चाहिए, क्यों आपको ट्रैवल करना चाहिए? देर इज़ अ रियली इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग विच आई टॉक अबाउट. इट्स सेविंग अदर्स, giving comfort to others while not being in comfort yourself. It does change some things inside you. It's really important for any person. Every person should do it, especially if you are a man. You will realize the emotions you carry, the empathy you carry with others. It's just really important for a man to climb mountains, just because you need discomfort in your life. In today's generation, and today in our times, there are no discomfort in this world. All the things are provided to you in just one click. You can just pay them, you can just pay money, and all the services you get will be as comforting as you like it. And there are no discomforts in the world today, so you need to chase discomfort. You need to be in discomfort just to make sure that you are alive. When I was climbing mountain, there was a girl, and she was like not my age. She was much older than me. So we made such a bond in that misery that nobody would even break. Nobody can break, just because we were facing discomfort all the time. and we are just giving each other comfort. While being in discomfort, I realized that I have a feminine side also, which just cares for people immensely. I can just care for people immensely. I have a really special bond with that person. I am not in a relationship, but I have a special bond with her specifically, just because we have shared a reality which does help. If you can share misery with somebody, I'm not sure if you are that kind of a person. Either you will be disconnected from them or you will be more connected for them. There is no in between. You will not be same again. Just because you have shared misery with them, it will open the gates to your emotions. I'm talking about men specifically. Just because they block their emotions too much, and it's not a really good way to block your emotions, guys. It's just not really good way. I am saying that मैं एक टाइम पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्टोइसिज्म में था. आई वॉज लाइक डोंट फील इट, डोंट फील इट, डोंट फील इट, एंड इट्स जस्ट डिस्गस्टिंग टू नॉट फील इट. हाउ कैन an emotional being not feel a certain emotion, whether it's anger, whether it's crying, sadness, guilt, shame, happiness, joy, whatever it is, you have to feel it. It's not a good theory to work on. Some parts of our lives it does work, but most of the time it doesn't. If you don't show what you are really, if you don't show your care towards others, they will not show their cares with you. It's just as simple as that. There was a time when we were sitting in a camp. I had no gloves with me. All my gloves were wet due to rain, just because snowfall was there. So rain तो होगी snowfall से पहले, तो मेरे ग्लव्स गीले हुए थे. एंड आई जस्ट, मेरे को इतना इरिटेशन हो रहा था कि मैंने एक साइड फेंक दिए थे वो ग्लव्स. मैं कहा मेरे को नहीं चाहिए ऐसे ग्लव्स भाई जो गीले हो जाते हैं. मैंने वहीं ख़रीदे थे, वो बहुत बेकार निकले. दैट्स अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक. हाउ दे फूल यू, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक. जस्ट सो उस टाइम पे आई वॉज जस्ट, माई हैंड्स वर शिवरिंग. इट वॉज जस्ट -5 -6 समथिंग इन द नाइट, एंड वी वर just having dinner. And after that specific girl, she didn't ask me that why am I shivering and why don't I have any gloves or anything. She had gloves. She just pulled my hands and just start rubbing them, and it was really a good thing. And I was like, yeah, this lady is giving me the utmost comfort that I can ever have in my life. Nobody did that ever before. Nobody will do it ever again. And I know that from deeply in my heart. But just the act of comfort, the act of service she has shown me, it's immense respect to her. And that opened the pores of my emotions to let flow and care about my people. I was with my two of my people. One is my brother and one is my sister. And I was like, तुम सारी केयर ले लो मेरे से, तो भी मेरी केयर अंत नहीं होने वाली वहाँ पे. Mountains just opened me up so well that I can speak on camera right now. I would have not spoke on camera if I didn't went to mountains. I'm so sorry, but it is what it is. I'm just saying that from deeply into my heart. It was so good that you can't even just describe it in words. I felt comfort for the first time in my life. Nobody has ever gave me comfort apart from my family, apart from in the outer world. There is so many people just dying just because they can't express themselves, and it is so bad to see. And I have such empathy towards them, I have such sympathy towards them. It is really, just go on mountains, guys. Just go to the mountains. You will find yourself. not maybe the first time, you will find immense discomfort, just because my sister has found immense discomfort in the mountains. She couldn't go for the summit just because she was not fit for mountains. But then when she get back, she was like, भैया वापस दोबारा कब चलना है, just because she found immense beauty in that discomfort. There is a really good thing that there was an Everest climber there, and we were just having a chat at night, and she has shown, like, my sister was really in a bad place, and she was like, क्यों आते हैं लोग यहाँ पे, क्यों करते हैं ये सब, क्यों करते हैं वो सब. वो बंदा जो एवरेस्ट क्लाइम करके आया था, ही इज़ अ ट्रैक लीडर, तो उसने मेरी सिस्टर को ये बात समझाई कि तुम अभी तक ऊपर चढ़ी हो, कितने दिन हो गए, 2 दिन हो गए ऊपर चढ़ते हुए लगा था, कल तुम्हारा लास्ट डे होगा, तुम 2 दिन ऊपर चढ़ी हो, तुम तीसरे दिन सुबह 2 बजे, रात को 2 बजे निकलोगी, तुम 2 बजे 2:30 बजे जितनी बजे, 2 दिन में, दो in full 48 hours, there was no signal, there was no nothing, she was all by herself, nobody was taking care of her. We were taking care of her, but it was not enough, just because she was in a really bad place. She was always irritated, she was always just cribbing about it. He was like, 2 दिन लगातार हो चुके हैं, 48 घंटे निकल चुके हैं, 1 सेकंड के लिए भी तुम्हें ये ख्याल आया है क्या कि मैं, आई एम गेटिंग गूज बम्स राइट नाउ, 1 सेकंड के लिए भी तुम्हें ख्याल आया है क्या कि तुम्हारे फैमिली में क्या चल रहा है, तुम्हारी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, तुम्हारे कितने नंबर आए हैं, तुम कितने परेशान हो, तुम कितने खुश हो. 1 सेकंड के लिए भी तुम्हें ये ख्याल आया हो तो मेरा नाम चेंज कर देना, जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर टोटली फोकस्ड ऑन ट्रैकिंग, ऑन क्लाइंबिंग, just because you are totally focused on one particular thing without any distractions in your life. How beautiful it is, how beautiful it is, really such miracle to see that for the whole 48 hours she was not distracted. I was not distracted by anything. I was just seeing the beauty, admiring the nature. It is so adorable, so good to just climb a mountain, to just trekking up to the topmost summit. It is really beautiful to do that. And people like beaches as well, people like comfort as well. Whatever it is, just do once in your lifetime the adventurous shit that I would like to do. I will just go in winter for what does that say? There is a specific spot in Sahyadris where there is a pinnacle, we say pinnacle. There's a pinnacle, the simple single stone of something 1500 feet or something. People just take ropes and climb that. It's called Wazir, and I will be doing that. It is really beautiful to just step into discomfort. Brothers, just try to step into discomfort more often than not. You are just gymming in ACs and just fucking वही छूतिया जीवन जी रहे हो यार. एक डंबल तुमको मिल जाता है, तुम वही लेके तड़ करके बॉडी बना लिया, आइए मज़ा. उससे क्या मिला? Obviously there is specific pain in it, there is specific discomfort in it, but उससे literally तुमको क्या मिलेगा? हो तो तुम एक हॉल में ही ना, जहाँ मशीन्स लग रखी है तुम्हारे कंफर्ट के हिसाब से, और आप उसमें कर रहे हो. ठीक है, आपको पेन हो रहा है, आपको दर्द हो रहा है, आप कुछ टाइम के लिए भूल जाते हो, बट उसके बाद क्या? 1 घंटे के बाद यू आर जस्ट बैक टू लाइफ. बट जब 3-4 दिन आप विदाउट सिग्नल, विदाउट इंस्टाग्राम, विदाउट एनी सोशल मीडिया ऐप, विदाउट एनी ब्लिंकिट, ज़ोमैटो, फकिंग all those apps, उसके बाद आप जब अपने आप को देखते हो ना, you see yourself truly. I will just go on travel without any phone from, like, I will try to do that just because I don't want to be into a made up world for some time and just be in nature. I will always love that. I will always go after discomfort rather going after comfort. Try to be adventurous, try to be normal, एंड एडवेंचर इज़ नॉर्मल. ठीक है, हज़ारों सालों से करते आ रहे हैं, आगे भी करते जाएंगे. एडवेंचर इज़ नॉर्मल, एड्रेनलिन इज़ नॉर्मल, जस्ट ट्राइंग टू गेट देयर इज़ नॉर्मल. ट्राई टू चेज डिस्कम्फर्ट. साइनिंग ऑफ, गौरव.